Resting on Zamboanga del Sur along the Moro Gulf, Pagadian City connects Zamboanga Peninsula with the rest of the region. This bustling metropolis was converted into a chartered city on June 21, 1969 and is now the regional center of Zamboanga Peninsula Province, Region 9. For a first-timer, it is hard to imagine that this thriving metropolis was once an unassuming coastal community headed by Dadu Akab. The original dwellers here are the Subanans, a monadic indigenous cultural community of Western Mindanao, explains Dr. Wendell Kagape, an educator and fashion photographer based in Pagadian. Because of its sundry topography and good fishing grounds, the rising city has summoned waves of ethnic migrants such as Muslim settlers who fortified the land against Spanish colonizers and Christian lowlanders from Luzon and Visayas who now call themselves Pagadianans. Yes, it may come off as a surprise to many tourists, but this is a land where indigenous cultures mingle and live harmoniously. Pagadian is marketed as the Little Hong Kong of the South because of its steep hilly terrain plummeting into the sun-spangled coast, akin to the former British colony, but it sure deserves to have its own title without being linked to another country. It is the booming backbone of Zamboanga del Sur, an epitome of growth and strength. Pagadian is waiting to be unraveled and lots of its nearby towns have yet to be explored. In this video, this is just a sort of introduction of this wonderful city. I haven't explored yet though. This is my birthplace. This is where I grew up at Tuburan district until we left in 2013 and moved to Ipil, Zamboanga Sibugay. There were so many memories in this city from my childhood to adulthood, and even up to this time. Soon, when I come back for another vacation, I will tour you around this city as there are a lot to show, a lot to discover. Honestly, even myself has not seen much of my city. Today when I have visited for a quick stopover, I was astonished of the great developments or improvements in this city. For now, this video is all about reminiscing the past and looking forward to see future improvements that this city has to offer.
Baby, I'm home again.